Hello. In today's video, we're going to be using the plug-in and check method to add and to multiply polynomials. This method, although it's a little time consuming, is a really great way to check your work on your TI-84 plus calculator. So the first problem we're going to be doing is an addition problem. The sum of 8x squared minus x plus 4 and x minus 5 is, and we have 4 answer choices. So in order to do the plug and check method, the first thing we want to do is go to our y equals screen. I'm already there, and enter in the expressions that are being added together in the question. So in this case, we're going to enter in 8x squared minus x plus 4, close our parentheses. Notice that I'm putting in each of the expressions in parentheses. This is very important. The next thing we're going to say is plus x minus 5, close my parentheses. Okay, so if I go ahead and graph it, as you can see, I'm zoomed way out, so I'm going to go ahead and hit zoom 6, zoom standard to zoom back in, and we can see I've now graphed the sum of these two polynomials. So what I next have to do is I want to enter each of these one by one into the y2 of my calculator and compare to see which one is the same as the expression in y1. So the first thing I'm going to enter, I'll enter in answer choice A. I'm going to enter 8x squared minus 2x plus 9. I'm going to hit graph and see if they're the same. And it looks like it just graphed it right up there. I think I see it. I'm going to go ahead and check my table to make sure that they're not the same. And sure enough, y1 and y2 are different. So I can eliminate answer choice A. Alright, so let's next go to answer choice B, plug that in, and check to see if it's the same as what I've entered into my y1. So I'm going to enter in 8x squared plus 9. And I'm going to go ahead and graph it, see if it's the same. And again, I think I am seeing it up there just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my table, and sure enough, y1 and y2 are different. So I can eliminate answer choice B as well. Moving on along to answer choice C, I'm going to go ahead and enter in 8x squared minus 1. I'm going to graph it and see what I get. Oh, and look at that. Okay, so I'm not seeing any other graphs, which is promising. They might completely overlap and be the same. I'm going to check my table, and yep, sure enough, y1 and y2 are exactly the same, which means that answer choice C must be my answer. Alright, so that was an addition problem. Now let's go ahead and take a look at a multiplication problem, because we can use the exact same steps to solve this. So our second question here asks, what is the product, so product, of course, we should be thinking multiplication, of 2r squared minus 5 and 3r. So just because I'm using r doesn't mean I can't enter it into my calculator just the same way with x as my variable. So once again, I'm going to use parentheses. It's really important to do so, and I'm going to say 2, in this case 2x squared, same thing as 2r squared, minus 5. And I'm going to multiply it by 3r. So I could either use this multiplication operator, or I could just say multiplied by 3x, like that. And I can go ahead and graph it, see what it looks like. Alright, fantastic. We've got this S-shaped curve. And then in y2, I'm going to go ahead and enter in my first answer choice. So in this case, it's going to be 6r or 6x, and I'm going to cube that. So to cube it, notice I just hit this caret key right here, then I hit the cubed, and then I just have to hit the arrow key over to get down so I can enter the rest of my expression. So minus 15x, and I'm going to go ahead and graph that and see what it looks like. Alright, I'm not seeing separate graphs, which is promising. So I'm going to go ahead and check the table, and it looks like y1 and y2 are completely identical. So answer choice 1 in this case is my correct answer. Let's just go ahead and answer in answer choice 2 so we can see what an incorrect answer looks like. So I've got 6x cubed minus, oops, as you can see, I didn't hit the over key, so I need to get down and over. Alright, So 6x cubed minus 5. I'm going to graph that. And as you can see, these two graphs are different, meaning that answer choice 2 cannot be correct. We already know answer choice 1 is our correct answer. That's how to use plug-in and check to add and multiply polynomials. Thank you for watching.